Hey, we built Shadowbook, which is basically like an encrypted order book. What does this mean? We'll dive in. So before we built this out, we also built like an FHE, a fully homomorphic encrypted coprocessor, and to allow like operations on ciphertext directly on chain. So that's just kind of some background infrastructure. But we decided to target something that already has like an established product market fit, which is like a perp trading DEX. The main reason people use dark pools in real life is for two reasons, right? It's mostly for like to prevent fund running, and then the second reason is to prevent people from like knowing what you did. Could move the market, could do a lot of things. But anyways, our solution here is to eventually have a fully encrypted order book. Basically, the first step is that the client encrypts the orders with FHE, and then step two is that it submits the encrypted orders. Then a match is done doing homomorphic evaluations on these ciphertexts without decrypting. And then we are executing the settlement on our state, and this gets logged in the Solana virtual machine. And then decryptions are only by the owner of each ciphertext. So that's basically high-level architecture. Yeah, like I said earlier, perp trading dexes are arguably like the largest PMF right now.
I'm going to start the live demo here. So yeah, we have our landing page right here. The way that it works is you generate your keys, and the keys are used so that you can do the client-side encryption that Kyle was mentioning earlier. And we have an option for limit orders as well as market orders. So once you have your FHE key pair, we'll just have a test key right here. You can choose to have a market order or a limit order. And so for an example of a market order, it doesn't really matter. But what the quantity is here, it's not really executing trades yet. The limit order, yeah, so you would choose a specific price that you want to execute at. And then, yeah, maybe you want to do a sell, and you can use the same test key, and it'll actually go right here. So that just popped up right here. So this is, yeah, since I just used a new test key, it has a new sell order just for me.
The order book is kind of like our attempt at productizing the, I guess you could say, like the backend infrastructure that we've been building. Business model is, could be very similar to how Hyperliquid monetizes a lot of their trading volume, as well as like, with things like buybacks and vault fee structures. And then the team is myself. I was a former engineer at Phoenix, which was like building like FHE fully homomorphic encryption on the EVM.
Thanks, Mads. I'm a former engineer at Lit Protocol, and I built a lot of agent security protocols. I'm really interested in agents and the potential that they have to expand the particularly DeFi capabilities to Web 2 platforms and beyond. So yeah, I'm really excited about working on this project. Fully homomorphic encryption is a super cool technology.
This is high level roadmap, which is aiming to release testnet sometime this quarter, ideally, and then reach mainnet later this year. That's pretty much it. We're looking to integrate as much as we can into the general Solana ecosystem, whether that's using the confidential token extensions for deposits and withdrawals, maybe even using existing Solana infrastructure for things like Archium's MPC for like matching potentially. So that's why we believe, given that our backgrounds in cryptography and design choice to focus on performance and user experience over, I guess you could say optional privacy features is sort of why we believe this is the future of trading on Solana.